What's the distinction between dentures and dental implants? If you're looking to replace missing teeth, there are two standard choices to consider: dental implants and dentures. Both options each have its own advantages and drawbacks. It's crucial to comprehend the main difference between the two to take an informed choice regarding which is the best option for you. Dental implants provide a lasting replacement for missing teeth. They're titanium posts, which can be surgically implanted into jawbone and act as replacement teeth roots. When the implants have fully established themselves and have bonded with the jawbone, the crown, bridge, or denture can be placed on the implant, resulting in an attractive and practical replacement for missing teeth. In contrast, dentures are a removable appliance designed to replace a few missing teeth. Dentures may be full or partial, contingent upon the number of teeth that must be substituted. Full dentures can be utilized in cases where all teeth of either the lower or upper jaw are missing. Alternatively, partial dentures are utilized in cases where only a couple of teeth are missing. One of the primary differences between dental implants as well as dentures is their degree of durability. Implants for dental purposes are regarded as permanent solutions because they're designed to last for many years when properly maintained and taken care of. The dentures, on the contrary, of the other hand, could have to be replaced or adjusted on a regular basis in order to prevent wear and tear or alterations in jawbone structure. A key distinction in dentures and dental implants is their function. Dental implants function similarly to natural teeth, which allows to chew normally and have speaking ability. Implants also assist in preserving the jawbone as well as prevent bones from losing their strength that could occur due to missing teeth. On contrary, could not be as effective in terms of functionality because they are susceptible to shifting during eating or when speaking that can make you uncomfortable and can affect the way you speak. Cost is a major important factor to think about when choosing between dentures or dental implants. Implants for dental purposes are usually more costly than dentures since the procedure is lengthy and requires numerous appointments as well as surgical placement of the implants. Many patients, however, find they enjoy the long-term advantages from dental implants, including greater stability and endurance surpass the initial price. When it comes to maintenance, in terms of maintenance, dental implants are straightforward to take care of, needing frequent flossing and cleaning, as natural teeth do. However, dentures in contrast require special attention as well as cleaners to avoid accumulation of bacteria and to ensure the longevity. The dentures should also be washed and kept overnight for their appearance and to avoid drying out. In the end, your choice between dental implants or dentures will depend on your specific desires and needs. If you're seeking an effective, long-lasting, and natural replacement for your missing teeth, and you are prepared to put money into an option that lasts for a long time, implants may be the right choice for you. But if price is an issue, or you'd prefer to have a removable solution, dental implants could be the best option. As a result, dentures as well as dental implants each have its own benefits and drawbacks. It is important to speak with the dentist you trust to go over your options, and then determine the best option for replacing your teeth that are missing. When it comes to dental implants or dentures, each option will provide an effective and attractive substitute for teeth that are missing, improving the health of your mouth and improving your smile.